Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about percent error. So let's say you're planning a party and you thought you needed to buy 56 balloons for the party, but you actually needed 70. So there is an error somewhere in that, and let's say you want to know what your percent error was. So this problem does sound a little silly, but when you get into science class this year and maybe the year forward and beyond, this will become very helpful. Scientists like to use this so they can figure out where they're making mistakes and how they can improve to get more accurate results. So in order to find your percent error, you're going to take the amount that you actually had or actually needed, and you're going to subtract it from your guess. So this is how much you thought you needed, and you're going to divide it by how much you actually needed. You're going to multiply this answer by 100 because this is a percent error. So we need to figure out how much you were off by. So first things first, we need to plug in some numbers. So I actually needed 70 balloons. My guess, or how much I thought I needed, was 56. So let's plug in what we know. I'm going to color code this so it makes it a little bit easier for us. So I'm going to make my guess blue, which is going to be 56. And I'm going to make my actual green, which is 70. So my actual 70 minus my guess, which is going to be 56, all divided by my actual amount that I needed, which was that 70. And from there, I'm going to multiply the whole answer by 100 so it gets right to a percent. So I like to break this down into a few steps. So the first thing I like to do is that 70 minus 56, which is going to give me 14. Then I divide that by 70. So when I do that, I get an answer of 0.2. So that doesn't really tell me much right now, but once I multiply it by 100, it will tell me the percent error. So instead of multiplying by 100, you could move the decimal place 2 places to the right, but this is a very common formula that you will see, so I wanted to show it to you now. So when you multiply all of this, you're going to get a percent error of 20%. So that is going to be your percent error for this problem. So that means you were off by 20% when you were buying these balloons. Make that look more like a 0. There we go. So scientists like to use this so they can get as close to 0 as possible because they don't want to have any error. Very common mistakes are human error, like you saw here. You thought you needed a certain amount, but you actually needed something else. It could be a machine, it could be the cashier, it could be the ingredients, whatever it is. Scientists use this so they know where not to mess up for next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. And leave a comment below if you have any questions for me. And make sure you share this video with a friend who would benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.